What we're going to do today is a short practice. First, we'll do a body scan to settle in, and then we'll do some Vipassana or insight or mindfulness practice in a way that lets us be with things as they are, with more rest and less struggle. And I'll talk you through. So make yourself comfortable in your seat. Take your time and let these feelings of resting, being held, come to you. Feel your feet as they rest on the floor. Feel your sit bones as they rest on your seat. As your feet start to rest, feel all the places that might start to open. The balls of your feet, your heels, your toes. Feel the opening, the relaxing in the space. Let this see if this gives you some ease. Feel your shin bones above your feet. Feel how they're solid. Feel how this supports you. Feel the solidity of your sit bones, how they meet your chair, and how this allows you to rest and feel held. And move your attention to your torso, particularly to your rib cage. So as you're being held by your chair, feel how your breath can become settled and restful. Feel the luxury of that your body knows just what to do to give you what you need. The luxury of resting and being absorbed by this satisfaction. And this will let your shoulders rest as well. Your shoulders, your sternum, your wing bones. This can all come to rest. Just allow that to happen and allow those sensations to develop and come to you. And put your awareness now on your breath, wherever it's most clear and comfortable, perhaps in your whole body, perhaps in your rib cage. I also suggest feeling it deep in your torso, which is another place where your breath may feel restful and you can feel really held. But see what's true for you just now. You're resting your attention on your breath, but do that lightly so that there's very little doing. There's a lot of resting, a lot of ease of body, and then heart, and then mind. Again, your attention is on your breath, but let that be light so that other perceptions will come and will go, and that's fine. They will all really feed your meditation. They will all really feed peace and ease. So light attention on your breath, allowing sounds, allowing sensations, perhaps of light or temperature, allowing them to come to you, allowing them to have their own life, allowing them to go. And your breath may be pleasant and clear. That's great. Do enjoy that. But it might be very subtle, perhaps hard to detect, or it might be difficult. Let yourself feel that as well. And do that in this way, which is that is for this breath now, how it feels. And hold that with a real kindness. It's not that you wished it, it's not that you caused it. But what you can do is rest into it and be kind, building a kind relationship with yourself as you breathe, as you just sit with what is. And feelings may come, and these too, they may be pleasant or they may not be. And here too, just hold them lightly. And the way you can do that is by really resting your body as the feeling makes itself known. Whether you wished for the feeling, whether you wish it would stay or wish it would go, rest with your experience and hold it with a kind regard. For this minute in time, let yourself be with the feeling just as it is and being kind to yourself by finding some ease in your body. just for this moment. Just trying that. And thoughts may come, and it's the same thing. Thoughts, it's just the nature of being a human, of having a mind. So just for now, let that thought have its life. Again, as you find ease, kindness in your heart towards that thought, towards yourself, and perhaps that kindness, again, is expressed as just resting your body, being with the thought as it is. Now, very gently, put your attention back on your breath again. Again, wherever it's most comfortable, wherever it's most clear. And just gently, lightly move your attention there. So there's no struggle with your mind, just a kind, gentle request. Let's try this right now. And resting your attention on your breath, resting with it just as it is. Let's dedicate the merit. Let's share the rest and peace that we may feel clearly or that we may have just a glimpse of. We can feel it and we can share it, and it will only grow. So just as you wish for happiness and peace and ease, you can wish that all beings feel that. And just take in that sense that your happiness is their happiness. Their happiness is yours. And we consider that possibility that we can feel this desire for peace for ourselves and equally for all others. And see how that feels. And know that that's my wish for you, to find that sense of ease in your own life and to feel it so clearly that you find you're easily sharing it with others.